26 January. Yes. Now I will give you 10 minutes. Okay. Try to do up to first 10 questions. 1.1 to 1.10. Try within 10 minutes. అవునే కో గలతీ అంత గలతీ రైట్ first one easy. Simple equations. If 6x plus 8 6x plus 8 equals 3x plus 29. How to solve here? All the unknown terms want to take one side, constants to take to other side. Then take this 3x to this side. When that 3x comes to here, it will be minus. Then 29 when it goes 8 to there. Then 3x equals 21. X equals 7. The answer, third one. Right? It's okay, correct. Third one, hurry. Yes. 1.2. Okay? Easy, huh? 1.2. Ramya deposited 100,000 in the bank at an interest rate of 16% per annum. If the interest is compounded quarterly, the annual effective interest rate would be. Yes. Yeah. We had the formula for the effective rate of interest. What the ERI. බලන්න formula set එක දීලත් ඇති. Effective rate of interest. What's the formula? Here. Effective rate of interest. 1 plus R. Here. මෙන්න ඒකට දීලා තියෙන formula එක. 1 plus simple R to the power n minus 1 into 100%. Right. එතකොට උතන R and n කියන්නේ කවුද? What is R? What is n? Yeah. Percentage to how? That means here in this question what they mentioned? In this question, what is the rate given? Yes, 16. Here is it 1.16% want to keep to n or no? R or no? 1 plus R to the power n minus 1 no? Then u means here 1 plus 0.16 at an interest rate of 16% per annum. If the interest compounded quarterly, then yeah. For what n then? I want to take that. What is R and what is n? N is number of years, but in this question not mention any number of years no here. Ramya deposited 100,000 in the bank at an interest rate of 16% per annum. If the interest compounded quarterly, the annual effective rate would be. Not mention about the number of years. Yes. What is N and what is R I want? Yes. effective rate of interest is not depend on the time period. That means for how many years deposited, it's not depend on that. Then here N and R is what? Answer karan din? No. Haven't take the answer for second one. No? Yes? Here. Here R means the rate of interest according to the given compound period. Here, the 16% is per annum rate, no? But they have mentioned compounded quarterly, no? Yeah. Here, R means, yeah, R means annual rate divided by number of compounded times per year. Annual rate divided by number of compounded times per year. Here the annual rate is what? 16%. Compounded quarterly means number of compounded times per year. එහෙනම් මෙතන R කියන්නේ බං 0.16 divided by 4. 16% divided by 4. It is what? 0.04. Okay? And N what? N number of compounded times per year. Right? N4. එහෙනම් ඔයා කැල්ල එක ගහලා බලන්න. මෙතන එන්නේ කොහොමද? 1 plus 0.04 to the power 4 minus 1. බලන්න ආන්සර් කීයද කියලා. What is the answer? 0.1 100 වැඩි වුණා මේ මොකක්ද ආන්සර් කියන්නේ? 1 point 1.1699. ඊට පස්සේ minus 1 උත් තියෙනවනේ. කොහොමද? මේක උනේ එකට මැච් කරන්න පුළුවන් ආට 1 plus 0.04 කියන්නේ 1.04 1.04 to the power 4 minus 1 equal 0.1698 කියලා දිනේ බා 0.1685 තියෙන්නේ ඒක round off කරපුවා 99 එහෙනම් ඔක 100 ගේ වැඩි කරපුවාම 16.99 third one answer. Okay? 0.004 නේ බා 16 divided by 4 කියන්නේ 4 over 100. 4 over 100 means 0.004. Okay? ආය බලාගන්න එක. Clear නැත්තම් මේ බලන්න. Effective rate of interest for a formula villa at the formula sets they have given like this. 1 plus what is the formula they have given in the formula? 1 plus simple r to the power n minus 1 into 100%. Here. Normally, under the financial mathematics, we are taking R and N. Normally, R is the rate of interest, N is the time period, right? But under the effective rate of interest given means This in that question they have mentioned calculate the effective rate of interest for the interest rate of 16% per annum compounded quarterly. These are the informations given. Compounded quarterly and 16%. Here. You can't substitute 16 to here. Right? Here, compounded quarterly means you want to divide the 16 by 4. Right? Then in the formula R means not the annual rate. What? R is not the annual rate. The rate according to the given compounded time. If compounded quarterly, the annual rate won't divide by 4. If compounded semi-annually, the annual rate won't divide by 2. Right. Then, එනම් මෙතන real R කියන්නේ formula එකේ 16/4 means 0.04 to the power. N means number of compounded times per year. Compounded quarterly means it is 4. Minus 1. Then into 100%. Right? Answer may be 16.99. What? Third one answer. Yeah. 16.99%. Right? That means formula they have given, but you want to identify what is the meaning of that. If they provided the formula without taking the real meaning of the formula, otherwise, most of times, everyone's are substituting 16 to here. If you substitute 0.16, it is wrong. Right, okay. Second one over. That's the third question. The probability that Ramesh passes the driving test 3/5 and the probability of Kasun fails, no? Okay. Same test is 2/3. Yeah, probability of Ramesh pass and probability of Kasun fail, okay? The probability that both of them pass the test, okay. Then you better prepare the tree diagram for that. First tree mentioned the Ramesh pass, fail. Then who else? Kasun. Pass, fail. Pass, fail. Right. Probabilities are given. The probability that Ramesh passes the driving test. Then 3/5 here. Then here what will be? 2/5. Yes. Yes. Then the probability Kasun fails the same test 2/3. Kasun failed 2/3. Then Kasun pass 1/3. Is it okay? 1/3, 2/3. Right. Then they asking what? The probability that both of them pass the test. Yeah. This one only asking. Both of them pass. Then through the tree diagrams, you want to multiply and take the probability. Then it is 3/5 times 1/3. You better cut it 1/3. Yeah. You can cut it because the answer is given as 1/5. Understood? Right? Okay. The thing is, one probability they have given the pass probability, other one given the fail. Okay. You want to take the pass probability according to that. Right? Okay. Yeah. 1/4. In 2020, the price of 1 liter of petrol was 130 by 225. The price increased up to 300. The price relative of the petrol considering, yeah. What is the formula for the price relative? Price relative equals to, yeah. Tell me. P1 over P0 into 100. This is the formula. What is P1? Price of the item at the current year. P0. Price of the item at the base year into 100%. Yeah. The current year price given as 300. Base year what? 2020 price was 130 into 100. Simply enter what is the answer? Well here. 300 over 130 equals 2.30. 230.7 after round of 231. Right? 230.7 come in, but after round off in equals to 231. The answer is second one. Right? The formula price relative equal price of the item at the current year over price of the item at the base year into 100%. Current year price 300, base year price 130. Okay, done. 1.5. The x in the simple linear regression mode y equals a plus bx is known as, independent variable, dependent variable, regression coefficient, constant. It is what? Independent variable, right? Because when x change in only, we can obtain the y. X means the independent. Because of x, y change means y will be dependent variable, right? The answer is first one. So, okay. 1.6. Yeah, the mod of the above frequency distribution is, okay, right. Look, see the formula for the mod, they will be provided. Yeah, mod equal L1 plus delta 1 over, I don't know how they have given in the formula. Go. Yeah, L1 plus delta 1 over delta 1 plus delta 2 into Z. Right, what are the terms? L1. Huh? Lower class boundary of the mod class. Right. According to this table, what is the lower class? Before everything, you want to identify what is the module class. How to identify the module class? The class belongs to the highest frequency. Then here, the module class will be 30 to 39. Oh, wait, no. 40 to 49, no? Because the maximum frequency is 61, right? Therefore, the module class is 40 to 49. The module class is 40 to 49. This is the model class. Therefore, lower boundary of that is what? Lower class boundary of that class what? 39.5. Because why? 40 to 49, next class starting 50 to 59 like that. When we have here that last class end with 39, right? 30 to 39. Therefore, we are having the gap between these two. That gap wants to divide by 2. Then 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. That 0.5 want to subtract it from here and add to this. That's the way to obtain the boundaries. 0.5 minus from 40 means 39.5. It means 49.5. And then the lower bound will be 39.5. Plus delta 1 what? Delta 1. Difference between the frequency of the mod class and the class below the mod class. And a mod class frequency is 61 here, below class frequency 52, then 61 minus 52, it will be 9. Delta 1 what? 9. Plus delta 2 means same as mod frequency minus above class frequency. Mod frequency 61, above 38. 61 minus 38, it is 23. Into what is C? What's the meaning of 10 means? Width. The width or otherwise the class size, right? How to obtain the class size is not taking the limits, taking the boundaries. 49.5 minus 39.5. It is 10. Most of times, most are taking the width as 9. It is wrong. Huh? Width is obtained not by the limits, by the boundaries. Huh? Then use the calculator to take the answer. 39.5 plus 9 divide by, you better take the total of this. 32, no? Is it? 32 into 10. 42.3125. 42.31. Second one answer. 42.31 something. The answer is second one. Done. Right. So, okay now? Right. What about if they ask to calculate the median? Right. Just and then check what is the total frequency for this one. It will see 10 plus 35 plus 42 plus 52 plus 61 plus 38 plus 29 267. Normally not asking like these ones. The total come 267. Wait, I'll give the example. Now the same example, I will change the frequencies little. Right? And give, you want to find the median, no? Right? Because at the exam, they can ask either mode or median, no? Right? I shall give the question. Forty-six, 50, 51, 54, 55, 56, 60, 61, 65, 66, 70, 71, 75, 76, 80. Right? The frequencies are yes. This is the example. Then they ask in calculate the median. Try. Calculate the median. Hmm. Yes. Yeah. Median formula equal. කොහොමද තියෙන්නේ? ඒකේ නිකන් L ද තියෙන්නේ. L1 දෙත්. Yeah. L1 plus and N over 2 minus FC over Fm into C, right? First we want to take what are the terms of this. Yeah. L1 what? No, L1 means what, ba? Mod valadi low L1 means lower class boundary of the mod class. Then here, lower class boundary of the median class. Right. N divided by 2 means N means total data divided by 2. Wait, what is mean of FC? FC means cumulative frequency, right? Cumulative frequency of where? The class below the median class. FC means what? Cumulative frequency of the class below the median class. FM, frequency of the median class. And C means width. But in this case, before doing to any calculations, first thing we want to identify the median class. When we are finding the mode, easily we can identify mode how? The class belongs to the highest frequency. Then here how to identify the median class? First you want to identify the median class here. MD class is equals to what? Half nth class. Half into nth class. Then to find n, you better take in the cumulative frequency in the same curve. CF 7, 15, 20, 27, 35, 45, 50. Is it okay how to obtain? Cumulative 7, 7 plus 8, 8, 15 plus 5 like that. Then n is 50, no? Then half into 50th. That means 25th class only the median class. Now see, the 25th class belongs to what? This, no? What is the first class making? First class what? 46 to 50. Second class? Here me first up to 7th is 46 to 50 bar. Then 8th to 15th only this. 16th to 20 only this. 21 to 27 this class. Understood now? Then the median class is what? 61 to 65. Right? Median class 61 to 65. Now substitute. Here I am substituting. Then L1, lower class boundary of the median class, it is 60.5. Plus n divided by 2 we already taken, it is 25. Minus, now see, FC, here, cumulative frequency of the class below the median class. This is the median class, this is the below class. That class cumulative frequency is 20. 25 minus 20 over frequency of the median class is 7 into 5. With take a 5. Now calculate, then take the answer. Hey, here. Now what is the median class we got? 61 to 65, no? Therefore, the value for the median also should be in the value between 61 and 65. Check what is the answer.
Dreaming of a global career? Let's make it real. The BBA in Accounting from LCL Campus is your ticket to success worldwide. Step into powerful careers in Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Maldives, and Singapore. Gain the skills, the recognition, and the confidence to go global. Thousands have already taken the leap. Now it's your time. Call 081-2239-089 or WhatsApp 077-3838-136. LCL Campus. Study smart, go global. Your success story starts now.
60 ඒ වෙන්නත් බෑනේ because the median class we got 61 to 65 no. Therefore the median answer should be between 61 and 65. Remember, hey, 25 here, 25 minus 20 can 5. 5 into 5 25. 25 divided by 7 ගන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා. 25 divided by 7. Take the answer 25 divided by 7 using the calculator. 3 point. Add that to 60.5. 60. That is the answer. 64.00 something. Is it okay then? Right? At the exam, we don't know whether mode or median asking, huh? Right? For both we. Okay. Right. Any doubts in that formula? Is it okay now? L1 again, lower class boundary of the median class. For before everything, first you want to identify the median class using half into nth class. Right? Half into nth we got 25th, then 25th class means it is belongs to this class. It is 61 to 65. Right. Okay. The next. 1.7. Here in this time they have asked two types of questions from index numbers, no? Here 1.4 index numbers, 1.7 also index numbers for group of items, right? Yeah, the Laspier's price index. Here Laspier's price index formula what? Sigma P1 Q naught over sigma P naught Q naught into 100. Because why? Laspier's mentioned the weights must be kept according to the base here. That's why I multiply the prices by Q naught. Right. Then, yeah, you better add the columns to that given table. Everything there, Q naught, Q1, P naught, P1's there. You better add the two columns. I am only taking the two columns, okay? P1 Q naught want, P naught Q naught want. What are the three items they are having? PQR. PQR. Right? Right. P1 Q naught for P1 Q naught. 175 into 8 tell. P1 175, Q naught 8. 175 into 8. What is the answer? 1400. Next, 125 into 15. 125 into 15. That's only P1 Q naught for Q. 1875. Then 250 into 20. It is 5000. No? 5000. Add this column and tell the total. This only what? Sigma P1 Q naught. Add the total and Q. 5000, then 6400, 8275, 8275, no? 1875, right? And now answer then 8275 over P naught Q naught. P naught Q naught 225 into 8. 1000 800. 400 into 15, 6,000. 400 into 15. 550 into 20. 11,000. Take the total of that. 11,000 and 6,000, 17,000, 18,800. 18,800 coming from here. Here we got 8275. 8275 over 18,800 into 100%. What is the answer? Check. 8275 divided by 18,800. What is the answer? 40. 44.02. 01 round of corner 2 maybe. Then the fourth one answer. 44.02 is there. Maybe that is the answer. Fourth one. Right? There were two questions from index numbers, no? 1.4 index numbers for the single item. 1.7 index number for the group of items. Right? Okay. Yeah, if they ask what are the other kind of index numbers can ask for the group of items, less Pierce price index, otherwise less Pierce quantity index. Quantity index means then the formula will be changed how? Here Q1 Q naught, here P naught P naught, right? Less Pierce quantity index means Q1 at the exam they will be provided, right? According to the formula, you want to add only the additional two columns, right? Because at the exam only one type of index number they will ask, therefore you want to add additional two columns for the given table. Okay. 1.8. Dhammik obtained a loan of 130,000 from a friend at the simple interest rate of 6% per annum. If the loan is settled at the end of 3 years, the total payable at the end of third year would be easy. Formula for the simple interest, S equal X times 1 plus NR. Simple interest, no? Yeah. X means the principal amount borrowed, 130,000. 1 plus per end of 3 years. 3 into 0.06. Use the calculator, tell what is the answer. Very easy. Good. Answer. 100. 120,000. 130. No, can't be. Then see whether we got somewhere wrong. The Amico obtained loan of 130,000 from a friend at the simple interest rate of 6% per annum. If the loan is settled at the end of 3 years, the total payable at the end of third year would be. You can see? මෙතනින් එනවනේ බං 3 into 0.061. මේක ගන්න 1.18. 1.18 into 130,000. Then that is the answer. Why? Together, why can't you take? Again, take. Want to keep the bracket now? Ready? එහෙම මල්ටිපයි කරොත් බං only one multiply වෙලා මේක ඇඩ් වෙන එක වෙන්නේ. බ්‍රැකට් කරලා මල්ටිපයි කරපන්. බ්‍රැකට් එක තියෙනවනේ කැල්ල එකේ. 130,000 bracket 1 plus 3 into normal subsequent. Here's the 153,400. Answer in third one. Right? Easy, huh? Simple interest. Right. The same question, compound interest other than the same question using compound interest other than total amount of what same amount for the 6% after 3 years compound interest other than we'll see. Now the formula is what? S equals x times 1 plus r to the power n. Huh? 130,000 1 plus 0.06 to the power 3. Is it? Tell what is the answer? Type like this 130,000. Huh? Bracket 1 plus 0.06. Close the bracket. How to take to the power 3? Using this bracket, then press 3. What is the answer? $154,830 point something. Right. It's okay. Compound interest. Asking means okay. Yeah. 1.9. Sales department of Mega Private Limited wishes to forecast their quarterly sales of the product A. The sales department calculate the following seasonal indexes. Yeah. Seasonal indexes given 1.5, 0.95, 1. Yeah. First add all those seasonal indexes until total of the seasonal indexes till whether it's 4 or check whether it's 4. Get off 1.5, 0.95, 1, 0.85, 4.0, 3 का कोई भाई 1.5, 0.95, 1, 0.85. What the answer? 4 point. We are having the 3 bar. No. Sometimes they have missed something. Wait. 1.50, 0.95, 1.00, 0.85. Code 3 in बराबर 0. Yeah. Hmm. 4.30 can't. Normally, the total of the seasonal index should be 4 or otherwise 1. Here, the seasonal index total 4 coming for multiplicative model. Right? Multiplicative model 4 coming. Additive model 1 will come. Wait. Yeah, LCL module. Then the second quarter was 9240. Forecast sales value. So yeah. Nine four two zero into second quarter 0.95. Just tell the answer of this. Multiply and tell the answer. Huh? 8. 8949. Huh? 8949. Yeah. Second one is the answer. Now wait. I little explain. Yeah. Yeah. We are having in the time series two types of models. Okay. Here. Multiplicative model and additive model. Right? Multiplicative model and additive model. Right? Under the multiplicative model, here y is equals to TCSI. Wait, I will explain these. What is T, what is C, what is S, what is S? Yeah. T means friend. Friend. These are the four components which are affected to the time series. Trend. C means cyclical variations. Cyclical variations. S, seasonal variations. I, irregular variations. I, irregular variations. Yeah, if additive model, y equal total of them, y equal t plus c plus s plus I. Y equals total of them. Right? Here, this y means forecasted value. Right. And also, these are the four components, T, C, S, I. Normally, these cyclical variations and irregular variations are happen rarely. Cyclical variations and irregular variations are happen rarely. Therefore, here this cyclical and irregular we are removing. Then y equals t into s under the multiplicative model, right? Y equal t into s. Under the additive model, y equal t plus s only. Now here y equal t into s. Wait, in this question, y equal t into s. Trend value they have given 9420 for the second quarter. No? Here, if the estimated trend value for the second quarter was 9420, therefore, these seasonal variations they have provided for all the four quarters. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Then this is the second quarter seasonal index. See in the table. Okay. See, then y is equal to t multiplied by s. After multiply, the answer would be 8949. Right? But wait, in that question, they haven't mentioned no using additive model or multiplicative model. No? That's why I ask you to take the total and check whether it will be 4. If it is the total of the seasonal 4, they have used the multiplicative model. If the total becomes 1 means additive model. Understood what I said? Seasonal index they have provided no by 4 quarters. These are the 4 values. No? After add them, if the total comes 4, I don't know why this question 4.3 coming. Some mistakes maybe, yeah. It should be 4. If 4 means they have used the multiplicative model. After at the seasonal index, it will become 0, right? Not 1, huh? If the total becomes 0, that means they have used additive model, right? And the other thing here, if they not mention additive or multiplicative model, using this also we can take. Otherwise, if we use additive model to here, y equal t plus s, no? Understand what I said? If you are using additive model, y equal t plus s, no? But 9420 plus 0.95 answer also there. Check with it. 9420 plus 0.95. 9421 or like that. 9221 is there in the answer, I mean. No? Therefore, using the answer also you can confirm which method is given. Right? But the better thing is check with the total, okay? Right. Next. The following summary statistics are provided in the relations to the variable x and y. Based on the above data, the correlation coefficients between. Yeah. What is the formula for the correlations? R equals n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y over square root of n sigma x squared minus sigma x whole square plus n sigma y squared minus sigma y whole square cross. Just substitute. N means the number of, they have given n is 5. Sigma xy is given where 838 minus sigma x given 63. Sigma y given 71. Square root. Again 5 into sigma x squared 8. Why haven't you done this? 5 into sigma x squared 881 minus 63 square plus again 5 into sigma y square 1049 minus sigma y square 71 square. After simplify, tell the answer. When you substitute, start in the bracket and substitute. Try using the formula. Using the calculator going. What is the answer? Bracket 5 into 838. 5 into 838 minus 6. Otherwise, 63 into 71. Close the bracket. Divide. Square root. 2 brackets. Bracket. 5 into 881. 5 into 881 minus 63 square plus again start 5 into 1049 9 minus 71 square close equals minus 0.9489 minus 0.9489 minus 0.9489. Check whether the answer is there. Yeah, minus 0.9849. 9489? Nah, both answers are there. See, 9489. Second one is the answer. Nine four eight nine also there. 9849 also there. Yes. 1.11. They ask to match them. A, B, C, D. A, simple interest. B, equal likely events. C, net present value. D, complementary event. Yeah. We have discussed. Simple interest rate means they have given from the explanations what they are having. First one given the event that represent everything that does not happens when a specific event occurs. The event that represent everything that does not happen when a specific event occurs. We'll see. Second, the sum of the present value of the cash flows over the period of time at the given rate of discount. That's only what? Net present value. 3. The percentage of interest paid or earned only on the principal. It is simple interest. Events that have the same probability of occurring equilikely events, then that complementary events only they have given the events that represent everything that does not happens when a specific event occurs. Complementary event. The events that represent everything that does not happen when. Yeah. Complementary means not belongs to that. That's the idea. No? Complementary, A complements means other than A, everything. No? Like that idea only commit. It's okay. One point one two. A sport club introduced a membership plan where the membership fee increased by 150 in each month within the first 3 years joining the club. The membership fee at the time of enrollment is 1000. Again, see, a sport club introduced a membership plan where the membership fee increased by 150 in each month within the first 3 years of joining the club. The membership fee at the time of enrollment is 1000. Calculate the membership fee in the 12th month from the month of joining. Yeah, geometry. Yeah, it is geometry. What? Each month within the first 3 years of joining the club. What happened? It is increased by 150, no? Then the starting amount is what? 1000. I increase by, no, then not geometry, it is arithmetic. Yeah. Starting 1000. Increase by 150 means 1150. Next month. Next month means another 150 means 1300. Like that, no? Yeah. The membership fee, yeah. Calculate the membership fee in the 12th month. Yeah. T12 only ask. T12 is the question mark. A equals 1000. D equals 150. N equals 12. Using the Tn formula find it. Tn equal A plus N minus 1D. T12 no asking. 12th month from the month of the joining. 1000 plus 11 into 150. Tell what is the answer? Huh? 2600. That is the answer for 1.12. Huh? 1.13. The following table shows the probability distributions of the number of outcomes arrive in a small coffee shop during 10 minutes interval. Yeah. Probability distributions, Amma. Yes. Here X, the variable they have given as the customer. Customers X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me which type of probability distribution is this? Probability distribution of discrete random variable or probability distribution of continuous random variable? Okay, yeah, continuous means all customers, can it be 1.32 customers coming? Huh. Continuous means all the values with the decimals also we can take, no ba? Discrete mean only the specific values. Number of customers can't be decimals, no? Therefore, this is discrete one. Then the probabilities are given 0.1, 0.2, 0.25, 0.30. Here, X, are they asking X? Nothing, no? Ba? Calculate the X value from the probability distributions given above. How? Add all these and minus from one? Nothing. Because we have the properties of probability distribution is what? Sigma p equals to 1. Right? Then 0.1, 0.3, 0.6, 0.85, 0.15, no? Is it? Check. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 6 and 8, 0.15 only. Done? Right. Next take 1.14. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. Easy, yeah? The direction in which the time series is going in the long run is trend. Yeah. Trend means that only. Take that under the trend definition. Trend means the direction of time series is going in the long period. Direction of the time series going in the long period only we are telling trend. Right? That's only they have asked true or false. It is true. Quarter sampling is a random sampling technique. Sampling methods also we didn't discuss, but it is, yeah, that's the theory part. You have that study pack? Oh, sample, strong. Right. That's all the part 1. Part 2 also did? False. Part section B करें ना? Right. After interval we discuss. इससे थोड़ा try कर लेते हैं. Right. Yeah. Question number 2. First one, Baran. A recipe requires 1 cup of milk for 2.5 cup of flour to make a cake that serves 10 people. You are required to calculate the number of cups of milk and flour needed to make the cake to serve 15 people. Yeah. What the answer you got? Normally itla ganna puluwan ba? Huh? Yes. Milk, cup of milks and flour. Right. Yes, for 10 people. See, for 10 people's milk, 1 cup, and flour 2.5. No? No? Yes. They are asking make the cake to serve 15 people. No? Therefore, you better take for 5 people's how? Yes. For serve 10 people's only this much. No? Therefore, serve 5 people's how? Half and here 1 and 1/4. No? Is it okay? Understood? Sure? And for 5 members, and then for 15. This times 3. No? Is it? Understood? Like this way only the easier method to find the answer. Understood what I said? For 10 people, so by 1 and 2.5. Therefore, exactly half of that people. That means for 5 people, maybe half and 1/4. 1 and 1/4. Then for 15, half times 3. Half times 3, no? 1 and half. Right? 1.5 cup of milk and this into 3 what? 3 and 3/4. 3 and 3/4. Understood? බදලා තිබ්බේ නැහැ. ඉසි තින්නේ මගෙන් එකේ. මොකුත් ලොකුට හිතන්නේ නැහැ ඒකේ. Using the ratios also we can find, but this is the easy way to find it. Only 2 marks only given. No? For 10 people, this much wrong. For 5 people, mean exactly half of that. 1% ඕනකට මේක easy බා. නේ 1% ඕනකොට මේක decimals එහෙමත් වෙනවා. Fractions ගොඩක් ලොකු වෙනින්ද නේද? මොකද මම 15 use කරලා තමයි 5 ට හෙව්වේ. 10 ගේ exactly half නේ 5 කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් ඒ වගේ 3 times. Right? Okay. සුවනේ? normal question එක. Right. Second, there are 5 boys and 4 girls in a dancing group. The price of costumes of 2 boys was 1,000 more than the price of costumes of 3 girls. The total cost of all the customers, the dancing group was, which kind of question is this? Simultaneous equations. Calculate the price of a boy costumes and a girl's costume separately. You better take price of boy's costume as X, price of girl's costume as Y. There are 5 boys and 4 girls in a dancing group. The price of costumes of 2 boys was 1,000 more than the price of costumes of 3 girls. The price of costumes of 2 boys. Price of costumes of 2 boys means 2x, no? Right? Equal to the price of costumes of 2 boys was 1,000 more than the price of costumes of 3 girls. That means 3y plus 1,000, no? Is this okay? Right? They are directly given the price of the costumes of 2 boys is 1,000 more than the price of 3 costumes of girls. Okay? Then you better take 3y to here and 2x minus 3y is equals to 1,000. That is the equation number 1. And what else? Another information must be provided. The total cost of all the costume of then there are 5 boys, no? That means 5x plus 4 girls means 4y. The total cost equals to 14,000. This is the equation number 2. After prepare the 2 equations, just you can take the values of x and y using the calculator, or otherwise you can simplify and take. If simplify how? First into 3, no? First into 4. 4 means 8x and 12y 4000. This into 3. 15x 12y, this. But the answer came there. But here see, they have given 4 marks, no? Therefore, easy way to using the calculator. You know the method to using the calculator? Listen there, no? Take the calculator. First, change the mod up to equivalent. Mods change to equivalent. Mod button change one 2 or 3 times, then equivalent will be there. Under equivalent, what having? Unknowns 1 or 2 or 3, what? What having? After equivalent press? Yes. After press equivalent, what's displayed in the calculator? Equivalent present in number 1. Unknowns 2 or 3 come in, no? Yes. After press equivalent number 1, unknowns 2 or 3 come in. That means here we are having 2 unknowns, no? Then press 2. After that, A1 or something there. A1 means here coefficient of x in first equation, press 2, equal. B1 means coefficient of y in first, minus 3, equal. C1 means 1000, equal. A2, 10, 5, equals. B2, 4, equals. C2, 14,000, equal. X equals what? 2000. After equal, y will come. Again equal. 1000. Check whether it is okay. Here. You have already solved it. Sure? Using addition and subtraction. The same answer got. Then why you write the answer now? You have already taken the answer using addition. Yeah? Okay. Now you are going to take the method, no? These answers came, no? Is it coming using calculator? After take the answer, if you better write using calculator, otherwise just keep in also, they will give the marks. But better if you without simplify take the answer means within bracket write using calculator. Because 4 marks given, therefore this much of things no need to do. Right? Right? It's okay. Prepare the equation and using the calculator we can solve it. Right? It's okay. See, consider the following inequalities. Draw the above inequalities in a graph paper. Identify the area which all the inequalities are satisfied. Did that? No. See, it's nice, huh? Okay. No need the graph paper. Just sketch diagram enough. Draw the above inequalities in a graph paper. Graph paper means sometimes they will provide a graph paper, otherwise. Okay. Here. Look at the two inequalities. 2x minus y less than or equal 6. Other one, x plus 3y less or equals 12. Y is greater or equal 0. Now see. This is the Cartesian plane. X, y. Now see. Before going to shade the region for inequality, you just want to draw all the 3 lines. First one I am going to take 2x minus y equals 6 line. Here the inequality is there, less or greater. First we want to draw 2x minus y equals 6 straight line. You know, to draw the line, only 2 coordinates are enough, no? Plotting only 2 coordinates. After connecting, we can complete the straight lines. Then here, always I am going to take the coordinates for when x equals 0 and y equals 0. When x 0, tell me, all this part 0, no? 2x part is 0, no? Okay. Then minus y equals 6, then y equals what? Minus 6. Is it okay? Understood, ba? When x equals 0, all this part 0, then minus y equal to 6, therefore y equal to minus 6. Then one coordinate we got what? 0, comma minus 6. Is it okay? Next one take when y 0. Y 0 means 2x equal to 6, no? Is it? Then x equals what? 3. What's that formula then? 3, comma 0. Is it okay? Then 3, comma 0 here, like this, no? 3, comma 0. Other one, 0, comma minus 6. It may be here. This is the line belongs to this. Understood? So, then, now for this one. Is this okay? You want to mention here the value is 3. Here the value is what? Minus 6. Now, x plus 3y equals 0. Directly I am going to take, when x equals 0, y tell? Yes. X 0, what should be y? 4. Good. Because here 0, 3 by 12 means y equals 4. When y equals 0, tell what is x? X equals 12. Is it okay now? Y 0, x equals 12. Now take the 0, comma 4. Go on to it. Yeah. When x 0, y 4. Here no? Is it? 0, comma 4. And yeah, 12, comma 0. Maybe here no? Here 12. Is it okay? Yeah. That line is going like this. Okay? Right. And other one what? Y equals 0. Tell me, what is the line of y equals 0? What asking about? No, I am asking this one. Now two graphs are okay. Now y equals 0. What is the line? Here, if I draw the line like this through one, like this line, it's called what? When here at y equal 1, if I draw the line parallel to x-axis, that is what? Y equal 1. If I draw any lines parallel to y-axis through x equals 5, the equation is x equal 5. Right? Then here y equal 1. Little down means y equal 0.5. Y equal 0 means this is the line, no? This. Y equal 0 means x-axis bar. Understood what I said? This only y equals 0. Got it? Right? All the three lines are okay, no? Now we want to check the inequality. Now see, this less than or greater than means that shaded part means either down of the line or above the line. Right? Shade in the inequality means bar. This is the line we have drawn. It may be either downside of the line or above the line. See how to confirm that. Very easy. For this one, just substitute 0, 0 to x and y. Nice to take this. 0, 0 to inequality. Here also 0, here also 0. Then what is the result came tell? 0 is less than or equal 6. Can this happen? What is the result obtained when we substitute 0, 0 to the inequality? What obtained? 0 is less than or equal 6. Can it happen or not? Can't. Why 0 is it greater than 6? But I am asking 0 less than or equal 6. The result is can happen or can't. What telling you? Can no, but 0 is less than 6. No? That means, tell me, the point 0, 0 can be lies on that inequality or not? Therefore, 0, 0 means this is the point, no? Therefore, this inequality should be what? Downside of this line. Understood what I said? Sure? Then, for this inequality, it should be downside of this line. Is it okay? Sure? Right. Now, hey, is that other one, no? This is the other line, no? Two x minus y, this one, no? This is the line belongs to this, no? Understood what I said? This line is for this one, no? Now tell me then. 2x minus y is less than or equal 6, no? Then tell me. So, okay, no? Then tell me, according to this line, it should be downside of this or upside? Up, because 0, 0 is in the up, no? Got it. Now substitute 0, 0 to this one. What's happened? 0 is less than or equal square. Can that happen? Then also what? Downside of that line, no? And what's the other one? Y is greater than or equal 0. Y greater than 0 means above the x-axis or down the x-axis? Tell. Both x and y, no? That's okay, good. Okay. Both x and y is greater than 0. Wait. Y greater than 0 means down the x-axis or up the x-axis? Upper side. And the other thing, x is greater than 0 means right side to y or left side to y? Right side to y. Therefore, here, this part only called what? X greater than 0. Up this part only what? Y is greater than 0. Then I think this is the part belongs to all the 4 inequalities. Wait, no. Where's the other graph going? It's not clear now, but this up, this one down. Yeah, that part only, no? This is the part, no? Belongs to all the 4 inequalities. Is it? That's the part. Nice question. Understood? Sure? Now take it.
වෘත්තීය පාඨමාලාවල සුදුසුකම් සමගින් ලොවම පිළිගත් BBA in Accounting උපාධිය මාස 18න් සම්පූර්ණ කිරීමට ඔබටත් අනගි අවස්ථාවක්. ඔබ දැනටමත් AAT අවසන් අධ්‍යයන සමත් IBSL ඩිප්ලෝමා හෝ උසස් ඩිප්ලෝමා සමත් Chartered Business Level සමත් නම් ඔබ දන්නවාද මේ සුදුසුකම් වයස අවුරුදු 21කින් සම්පූර්ණ කරන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. NBQ සුදුසුකම් සහිත වෘත්තීය පාඨමාලා හරහා ගිණුම්කරණය උපාධියක් ලබාගෙන විශිෂ්ටයින් අතර කැපී පෙනෙන වෘත්තිකයෙකු වීමට අදම LCL Campus සමග එකතු වන්න. දුරකථනය 081 22 39 089. WhatsApp අංකය 077 38 136. Email info@lclcampus.com. Web පිටුව www.lclcampus.com. LCL Campus අනාගත වෘත්තිකයින් බී කිරීමේ තක්සලාව.
Is it okay? Yes? Why? What's the doubt? Yes. Look at the second one. Third question, no? Section B, third question. Yeah. A firm produce product C. The total revenue is given, total cost given. Yeah. Total revenue TR is equals to 1400 Q minus 6Q square. 6Q square. TC is given 1500 plus 80Q. 80Q. Yeah, what asking? Where Q is the quantity of units produced and sold. Yeah. You are required to identify the profit function. Nothing. Profit equals revenue minus cost. Then 1400 Q minus 6Q squared minus cost 1500 plus 80Q. Yeah. 1400 Q minus 6Q squared minus 1500 minus 80Q. Then 1400 minus 80 means 1320, no? 1320Q minus 6Q squared minus 1500. That's only what? Profit function. Identify the profit function. Okay. Profit means revenue minus cost, no ba? Revenue given 1400 Q minus 6Q square. Cost minus 1500 plus 80Q. Yeah, what is the second? Calculate the number of units which the profit takes maximize. Nothing. How to find the maximize or minimum point ba? Yes, how to identify maximum or minimum point? We have discussed by using that curve. We have just draw and identify the turning point. After that, using the differentiation also we come from there. Here, everywhere when they ask in maximum or minimum point, what is the method ba? Differentiate and equal to 0. All right. Okay. This is the profit now. You tell me the profit function again now. Right. Yes. What is the profit we got? 1320 Q minus 6Q square. Minus 6Q squared minus 1500. For finding the turning points, you want to differentiate here. See how to make it dP by dQ. This means differentiating under Q. Differentiation of 1320, it is thus 1320. Differentiation of 6Q squared minus 12Q. Is it okay? The method is what? This power come to here and multiply with 6. Then that power minus 1 means 0. Here 1 is there. 1 multiply with this is same. 1 minus 1 is 0. Q to the power 0 means 1. That's why just 1320 coming. Differentiations of constant is 0. Therefore, this part 0. After that, you want to mention what? At the maximum point. Yeah. At the maximum point, what's happened? dP by dQ equals 0. dP by dQ equals 0. Can you tell me what is the reason for that? At the maximum point, what's the reason to dP by dQ equals 0? Here, maximum point means like this point. Here, at the maximum point, if you draw the tangents, what's happened? That tangents gone parallel to x-axis, no ba? The tangents drawn at the turning point gone parallel to x-axis. That means its gradient is what? 0. Gradient 0 means differentiation also 0. That is the reason. Okay. Then that means what? 1320 minus 12q equals to 0. That means 1320 equals 12q. After simplify what? For 13, 1, then 12. 100, 110. Is it 110? I mod ගහලා complex කළා. කියලා paste කළා. Is it 110? 1320 divided by 12. 110 is. Right? It's okay, easy. Most important part is at the turning point, differentiation equal to 0. The reason is this one. Right? Okay. Next. The total cost given, total revenue given. What asking? Nothing. No. Break even quantity. At the break even point, what's happened? TR equals T. Nothing. At the break even quantity, we know TR is equals to TC. TR or TC, that doesn't matter. TC is left side. Okay, anyway. TR what? X is the number of units produced per month. X is TR what? 66x plus 2x squared. TC is what? 2x squared minus 6x plus 3600. While equaling here, 2x squared will be cancelled. Right? 66x squared, for 66x, take that 6x to here. 66x plus 6x equals 3600. Here, 72x equal 3600. I think x equals 500. Is it? $50? 50, no? Yeah. X equals 50. See, very easy one with these questions are. Right? Okay. Done. The most of times exam questions asking like these questions, one. Sometimes they will given here in these questions TR and TC given and asked to find the total profit. No. But how another questions can ask? Instead of TR, they might be given what? Demand function. How then? Demand functions means average revenue, no? When the demand function is given, by multiplying the number of units, you want to obtain the TR. After that, same thing. Didn't take it? Where you go? In this question, before finding the profit, how to find the profit? TR minus TC, no? Therefore, revenue and cost must be given. Here given, no? But I think in the few previous questions, instead of total revenue, they are giving the demand function. Demand function means the average revenue, no? We got that. Then using the demand function, first you want to find the total revenue. How? By multiplying number of units. Average revenue multiplied by number of units, only the total revenue coming. After that, same thing. For this question also here. Previous questions what we got? Okay, for this one, check here. Here, the demand function is given this, revenue, total revenue given this one, no? 66x plus 2x squared, no? Instead of that, they are giving demand function P equals 66 plus 2x. On a demand function. How to obtain the average demand total revenue from this? By multiplying number of units. Then it will be what? 60x and 2x square. Understood ba? This is the demand function. No? 66 plus 2x. Then revenue equal what? Demand function into number of units. Then 66x plus 2x squared coming. Instead of total revenue, demand function also can be given. Why, when we are giving the note, we have highlighted that no. Demand function can also be interpreted as the average revenue. Right. Okay. That's it. Fourth. Yeah. Least square method regression line. Yeah. Y equals A plus BX. No. Yeah. We know the formula for B equal N sigma XY minus sigma X into sigma Y over N sigma X squared minus sigma X whole square. Right. For that, first you have to prepare the table and want to find those values. X there, Y is there, XY need, X squared need. After that, want to take these totals. Just X are 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 14, 20. 9, 10, 14, 20. Y 5, 8, 9, 10, 14, 20. Phew, one miss. 5, 8, 9, 10, 14, 20. Then 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 14, 5, 8, 9, 12. No? 12, 14, 20, 30. XY. This one not enough of that table. So take here. Point 5, 20, 48, 72, 108, 140, 280, 600. Check whether it's correct. Y squared. X squared, no, not Y squared. Huh? It is X squared. X squared. 16, 36, 49, 81, 100, 196, 400. Total 7 integer. Avunne 7 into 9, 63. എത്ര വരുന്നു? අනිත ඔක්කොම කරෙක්ට් නම් මට ටෝටල් එකෙන් දෙන්න ටක් ගාලා. මේ ටික ටෝටල් එක 10 20 10 20 40 54 63 70ද? හා sigma x 70 sigma y 57 94 හා 98 sure 5 8 9 12 14 20 30 අනේ what 98 මේ ආන්සර්ස් රෝං වුණොත් අපි ඊට පස්සේ ගැල් එකෙන් කන්ෆර්ම් කරන ආන්සර් එක එන්නේ නැතුවේ xy ටෝටල් එක හරියට ගාලා ගියා 1259 මේකේ 878 right now substitute n means number of pairs 1 2 3 4 5 7 no 7 7 into sigma xy 1259 minus sigma x 70 ද මං ඒ තිබ්බේ 70 sigma y 98 over 7 into sigma x squared 878 minus sigma x all square 70 square right here මේවාට බ්‍රැකට් ස්ටාර්ට් කරන්න මේකෙත් බ්‍රැකට් එක ස්ටාර්ට් කරලා ආන්සර් කරන් දෙන්න මටක් ගාලා b equal කැල් එකකින් ගහලා start the open the bracket and when dividing also want to start the bracket 1.567 that's it 1.567 okay wait now not confirm multiplication මොනවද difference දන්නේ method එක ඕකේද right දැන් මේක කොහරි මාක් කරන් ඉන්නේ 1.567 okay I'm going to erase this part be okay then right now how to find a equals y bar minus bx bar first find y bar means sigma y over n sigma y what the total we got there 98 oh 98 over 7 what 14 14 no x bar sigma x over n sigma x 70 no then here a equals y bar means 14 minus 1 point what 5 6 7 into 10 එතකොට මයිනස් ආන්සර් එකක් එනවා කියන්නේ. minus 1.67. හා ඉක්වේෂන් එක a equals y bar minus bx bar. නැත්නම් දැන් ෆෝමියුලා දීලා. ඔය තියෙන්නේ a equal y bar minus bx bar. yes මොකක්ද අවුල? අවුනේ. y bar කියන්නේ x bar කියන්නේ කවුද කියලා දෙන්නේ නැහැ යකෝ. bar කියන්නේ mean කියලා දැනගන්න ඕනේ. ඒ බා x bar use කරේ mean එකනේ. right bar use කරන්නේ mean එකට වන්නේ. මේ දෙන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ හොඳේ. right okayද? right එහෙනම් first එකට අහන්නේ කො represent the relation ඒ දෙනම් y equals a plus bx. that means y equal what a got ba minus 1.67 plus 5.67 x ද දන්නේ බීටා ගියද 5.67 ද okay plus what's the b 1.567 yeah 567 x. wait, this is the answer for first one. The least square method regression line on y equal minus 1.67 plus 1.567 x, right? That is the answer for first one. Then using that second one, not asking, calculate the expected sale quantity when the advertising cost is 12,000. Allow it. Therefore, you want to substitute 12,000 for x or not? But here see in the table bar, advertising cost given in thousands and the sales quantity will come as 1,000. Therefore, you are not substituting 12,000, just 12 substituting. Then y equal minus 1.67 plus 1.567 into 12. Take the answer. What is the answer? 17.13. Yeah, you only telling නෑ මේවා minus කරලා ගත්තා නේද? මේක minus ගෙවන මුලට. Right. Then the answer is this one or not? මේ අහපන්කෝ. ඒ කියන්නේ when advertising cost 12,000, sales quantity will be 7.134. No bang. Then this also you want to multiply by 1,000 and keep, because why? The sales quantity also given thousands. Therefore, sales quantity will be this one into 1,000 means 17,134. Understood that? So, preparing the table, finding a and b for first find the equation of the substitute. Now we still we don't know whether the preparing table and finding multiplications correct or wrong. You want to do it nicely without change. I only want to confirm the method. But we can confirm it. Use the calculator. Take. Okay. Change the mode up to REG is there. Check. Press REG. What's obtained? LI in 1 or something. Press LI in 1. Okay. wait. First, press the first x value, what, 4, no? In that table, x first value 4, no? Huh? 4, right? Comma, y value 5, no? 4, comma 5. Huh? N plus 4, comma 5, m plus, press. M plus button is there, no? Then n equals 1k. Like that, press so 4, comma 5, m plus 6, comma 8, m plus, like that, everything. Only this method is belongs to that type of calculator. The other type of calculator, another different methods. Okay, n equals 7 is there, no? Wait. After that, press AC. Not sure detail. Okay. AC, okay, no? After that, shift and number 2, press shift. Number 2. What on displays on there? X bar. Right. Again, press the right side of that copy button. R is there. RAB. What else there? Again, press another time. R and AB is there. Sure? And A is 2. 1. Press 1. Equal. What is the answer coming? 1.985. Bring. Kini pada ban mata hati kan bagi unit dan. Otherwise, our total hari mono change where then nati ba. Mod REG number 2 LIN 1 4, 5 m plus 6, 8 m plus 7, 9 m plus 10, 14 m plus 14, 20 m plus 20, 30 m plus. Okay, press AC. Shift and 2. Yeah. Okay. Number 1 equals minus 1.56. May come in over. Little change. Here A come in minus 1.573. Right? Minus 1.57. We got minus 1.67. Don't know why. Wait. Again, shift and 2. Check whether for B. B correct ba? B equals 1.564. What you type there? Right? B is coming 1.564. B 1.564. A equals y bar minus bx bar. No? Y bar we got what? 14, ne? Yeah. 14 minus, everything going to press, no, that's what. 14 minus 1.564, 561, just into 10. No? Take 14 minus 1.564, 564, 561 into 10 equal minus 1.645. Okay, because we have taken the answer without these decimals, that's why this one coming. Correct, huh? Right? Again, check why the answer not came using the calculator for you. Okay? Done? Ne? Right. Exam එක කැල්ලකින් ගෙවට බෑ. First want to prepare the tables and take the answer and using the calculator can just confirm. Done. Fifth. Yes. Right here. We have already discussed the question for median. Here in this question asking median. That means at the exam, most of times they are examine both the mode and median, because in the second part they ask median, first part they ask mode. See, in that next year, first part they might ask more median, in second they can ask mode, right? Median means standard deviation, right? Median or no need, I think we have already found. No? Therefore, we shall prepare the columns for mean and standard deviations. Okay, median also want, no need, no, we discussed earlier to find the median, this kind of questions. Then for mean and standard deviation, yeah, see what are the columns. I am preparing both the columns needed to both the questions in one. Yeah, the class intervals there. Class intervals. Next should be the mid value x, then the frequency, then fx, then fx squared. Using this formula, it is easy to take. Only these columns we need, right? Then prepare the columns and take the totals there quickly. Right? 0 to 9, 10 to 90. Here the decimals come in now, but what to do, have to do. Okay. 4.5 come in, no? Here 14.5 come in. Then everything easily 24.5, 34.5, 44.5. Again not enough. 44, 54.5. Frequencies 3712, 1062. Fx multiply and take. I don't have the calculator. Just tell for fx first. Here what? 13.5. Just tell me how to take fx square. Here fx 13.5, no? That square. Then f into x square, but x square not there. Have to prepare x squared. No need to ba. So also can fx squared, you can take x squared column and then multiply f. But here bang, fx multiplied by x means fx squared only. Right? No need to prepare additional x squared column. Multiply and take. $60.75 coming. So Right, like that, prepare all the columns quick. What is the answer? Mean kiyada? X bar equal sigma x over n. Sigma x kiyada ඔයාට? So sigma fx, sorry. Sigma fx over sigma f, yeah. 1130 points avane over 40. What is the answer then? 20. We'll see, don't know. Now standard deviation, no? Standard deviation equal sigma fx squared over sigma f minus x bar square root. Sigma fx squared what? 39,795 over 40 minus 28.25 square. After solve, what is the answer again? Can be, it can be 14.0. Now we'll confirm using the calculator. Again, take calculator, change the mode to again SD. Okay, SD. Then take the mid values of these. That means 4.5. Wait, 4.5 shift comma 3 m plus n equals 3 there. Like that, put all 14.5 shift comma 7. M plus want to press again. Equal name, put everything. How? 4.5 shift comma 3 m plus 4.5 shift comma 3 m plus. Okay. 14.5 shift comma 7 m plus. After press everything, n equals 40 must be there. But SD 4.5 shift comma frequency kida? Frequency ගහලා බං m plus ගන්න. Frequency kida? 3 m plus. ඊළඟට 14.5 shift comma 7 m plus. Koy දෙන්නේ හැම ගාපක්කොම. n equals 42. Then press AC. Shift 10 to what's 7? X bar is there, no? X bar number 1 now, number 1 ගන්න equal කීයද? 28.25. It's correct, no? ආයෙත් AC කර ආයෙ shift එක 2 ගන්න. Then standard deviation තියෙන second එකේද? Symbol එක. Yeah, like this symbol is there. Number 2, press 2 equals 12 point, then row 14 point something came. X bar correct, no? X bar same answer game, no? Maybe somewhere wrong, huh? Fx squared total might be wrong somewhere. Again, check quickly. Fx correct, no? Because X bar correct mean Fx column. Correct. Again, take 13.5 into 4.5. 13.5 into 4.5. Huh? What's the answer? Again, check like that, multiply and check with your table. Check others. Others correct. Then the total won't change, no? Wait. Tell me how the changes applied there. Earlier had what? Now the correct one. Corrected one. No, I'm not asking the total. That changes one, what the value earlier had. How is changed now? අඩු වුණානේ කොටසක් නේ. ඒ බැලන්ස් එක අඩු කරලා අර 39 අඩු කරලා ආයෙ මුලින්ම ඇඩ් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේ. චේන්ජ් වෙච්චි බැලන්ස් එක එහෙම නැත්නම් හිතපන් ආයෙ ගත්තද? ගත්තනේ බැලන්ස් එක අඩු කරලා ගත්තද? ඒතර කී දෙන්නේ 30 30 30 35 නෑ නේ. හරි අඩු වෙලා තමයි එන්නේ. කියන්නේ ඔබ දැන් කලින් කීයද තිබ්බේ? 13000 ගානක්ද? දැන් ආවේ 11000. ඒ කියන්නේ ඩිෆරන්ස් එක ආවනේ 2000 ගානක්. ඒක අරකින් මයිනස් තමයි කරන්න ඕනේ. 39 ගේ. $38 406 0 විතරයි. දැන් ඒකත් එක ගහලා බලන්න 12 point ගානක් එනවද කියලා. 38 460 divided by 40. And it's coming 12 point. What 12 point? 12.7. That is the answer we got using the calculator also. No? Right, done. Yes, that's all. Question number 6. What's that? A bank grants a loan 800,000 to the Laksita to be settled in equal annual installments in 5 years at an annual interest rate of 14. Calculate the annual installment of the loan. Yeah. Look at that formula is there. Loan A equal something formula is there. Repayment of loan A equals SRN R minus 1 over Rn minus 1. Yeah. Here the capital R means 1 plus simple r, okay? Right? Capital R means 1 plus simple r. S means loan amount. Here what the loan amount is? 800,000. 800,000 into what is the rate given? 14%. That means capital R is 1.114. Capital R equals 1 plus simple R bar. That means 1 plus 14% means what? 1.14. Okay. 1.14 to the power after 5 years. 5 into, here see, capital R means 1 plus simple R, no? Capital R minus 1 means simple R, no? Capital R is 1 plus simple R, no? Then R minus 1 means simple R, just 0.14 over 1.14 to the power 5 minus 1. Take the answer. Listen, calculate. Hello. Oh, 1 o'clock. Hari, okay. What is the answer? Huh? 137. 114 into 5. Podiyan kalaki gyo varidi tanne. 800,000 into 1.14 to the power 5 into 0.14 divide bracket ගෙහුවේ නැත්නම් වැරදි tuition එක bracket ගෙවුවනේ divide 1.14 to the power 5 minus 1 equal 233 point something coming. It's correct. Can be. What's the answer? Tell again. 233 0.8. What the answer you obtain is still just 130 something, no? 130 times 5 what? 130 times 5 means 65, 650,000 coming, but the loan only 800,000. Understood what I said? That's wrong. What are we 130 ganak 140 me kiyanako? 140 into 5 means 700, no? This much loan settle වෙනකොට interest උත් එක්ක should be more than, no? Here just see 230 200,000 හිතන්නකෝ 200,000 into 5 1000 800,000 වගේ pay වෙනවා. Okay, got it? Is it okay now? Next, Sehani invested 50,000 in a fixed deposit for 3 years at an annual rate of 12% per annum compounded annually. Calculate the total interest earned. Easy, no? Compounded annually. Total interest earned. Compound interest, no? S equal x times 1 plus r to the power n. Invested 50,000. 1 plus 12%. 0.12 for 3 years. Right? Using this, you can find the total amount. Total amount can find, but asking what? Total interest or no? Then what's the answer you obtain from that? You want to minus the investment 50,000. Right? using this come in what? Total amount. Honde? Total amount. But in the question they are asking the interest, no, therefore from this we want to minus the investment 50,000. Right? Don't take to here. Here take S. After that, I equals this one minus 50,000. Then take the answer. What is the amount coming here? Tell using calculator. 70,246 එහෙනම් ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට් එනවා මෙයා මයිනස් මෙයා කියන්නේ 20,246.4 It's okay, no? Right. Done. B. Yeah. Calculate the NPV. Easy. Here. NPV formula equals to PV minus PV minus investment. Now, first you can find the PV. How? Here, see, present value is equals to what? Cash inflows multiplied by the discounting factors. Here, present value equal A into discounting factors. Here, first year cash inflow was 25,000 into, right? What is the rate there? 10% first year discounting factor will be 0.909. From where we can find it? Quickly can take, if you have that present value table, download quick. Present value table. Is there having somewhere? No. Take, download present value table. Present value table. Yeah, 10% maybe 0.909. Yeah, this one. Download කරන්න. Otherwise, okay, දැනට බලන්න පස්සේ තයි. හරි. ඒකේ බලන්න මම බාල විදිහ කියලා දෙනවා. මෙහෙම here. මෙතන n තියෙනවා 0 ගෙන්ද 1 ගෙන්ද පටන් ගන්න තියෙන මොකද 0ද 1 නේ 1 2 3 here 1 2 3 4 කියලා පල්ලෙහාට යනවා. මේ පැත්තේ රේට් එක යනවා. දැන් අපිට ඕනෙන්නේ 10% වල 1 2 3 4 ටිකනේ මේක ඕනෙන්නේ. බලන්න 10% first year 0.909 කියලා උතන තියෙනවද බලන්න. හරි? ඒකට තමයි කියන්නේ discounting factor එක කියලා. හොඳේ? මෙන්න මේ value එකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ discounting factor. එහෙනම් 25,000 into 0.909 plus මට ආයෙ එහාට කරනවා පොඩ්ඩක්. හරි? එහෙනම් PV equal වෙනවා first year 25,000, that year discounting factor 0.909 plus second year cash flow 20,000 0.826. Check. 10% second year discounting factor 826 plus third year cash in for 32,000 0.751. No, don't I know. Is it? plus fourth year 80,000 into 0.656 or what? 683 plus fifth year 60,000 into 0.6209. 0 enough. Third decimal. Actually, round off means 1 maybe. Right. Then you want to multiply and take the total of these. Okay. Right. That is only what? Total present value. Right. From that, this is total PV. No? Then NPV is equals to PV minus I. That means what is the answer you obtained there? Minus investment they have mentioned in the question here. The initial investment of the cost was 150,000. This one minus 150,000. That's only the answer. Very easy. See? What? Doubts? Nothing, but doubts? What, bang? Doubts? Yeah, bang. Yes? NPV equal present value minus investment. No? Present value means that is the way to obtain the present value. Bang. These are the cash inflows at the end of first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. You know, here see, if you invest 50,000 today, they are telling after 1 year 60,000 will be received. Project is valuable or not? You seems that is very valuable, no, but it can't be. Why? Today we are investing 50,000. 60,000 received after 1 year. No? In that year, that 60,000 might be not valued than 50,000 today. Therefore, we want to find that 60,000 today value. Now, this is the way how to find that present value. Right? Yeah? දෙනවද එක්සෑම් එකේ දෙනවා. right? ඒ ටේබල් එක දිහා බලාගෙන මෙයාව වැඩි කර කර ගත්තාම මේ ටිකේ present value එක total එක එනවා. අර ආව අපිට අර කියන්නේ දැන්. ඒකෙන් 150,000 අඩු කරපුවම තමයි net present value එන්නේ. console එකක් තියෙනවා ඔබට පස්සේ ඕක. ඔකේද? සුවද? අවුලක් නැහැ. Okay, sure. Right. Part C. Bag A contains 10 marbles of which 2 are red and 8 are black. Bag B contains 12 marbles of which 4 are red and 8 are black. A marble is drawn at random from each bag. Calculate the probability. Right. You better take free diagram. May I will bag A. What are the colors can obtain? Red or black. In the bag B also, what are the colors having? That also red and black, no? Red, black. Red, black. Yeah. Contains 10 marbles which 2 are red. 2 over 10, 8 over 10. Bag B contains 12 marbles of which 4 are red. 4 over 12, 8 over 12. 4 over 12, 8 over 12. Calculate probability that both marbles drawn are red color. Here, no? That means 2 over 10 into 4 over 12, 8 over 120 for the first one. Okay? Both marbles drawn are red color. That's the first one. Second, what asking? At least one is red marble. At least one red means, can we obtain this part? Why bang? At least one means can. This one? Can. This one? This one can't. Then that means, I told that all the probabilities is equals to 1, no? Therefore, I am going to take it as what? How? 1 minus BB. Is it okay? Otherwise, you want to add all these three. Instead of that, I can subtract and BB from 1. 1 minus BB means 8 over 10 into 8 over 12. That means 1 minus 64 over 120. That means 56 over 120. Okay then. So it easy, huh? If someone who wants, you can add these three and check the same answer will obtain. නිකම් බලමු. මෙතන 8 ගත්තා. Here what? 8 into 2, 16 coming. Here 8 into 4, 32 coming. Add and check. 32 and 8, 40, 40 and 16, 56 coming. Okay, easy. Last. The weekly wages of 10,000 workers in a company are normally distributed. Yeah. Probability distributions. Yeah. X. What is the mean value? Payment. Yeah. The mean payment of 6,000. And the standard deviations given what? 500. Okay. This is the information. Right. X is the weekly wages, mean, standard deviation. You are required to calculate the number of workers. The total number of workers they have mentioned 10,000 workers are there. Right. 10,000 workers are there. Calculate the number of workers whose weekly wages are more than right. More than 7,500 means like this, no? Here 7,500 more than means this part. You want to find first the probability of this part, then that probability multiplied by 10,000, then the number of workers will come. Here 6,000, here 7,500 like that going to be. More than 7,500 means this part, no? They are asking from this part how many workers are represented, no? But in the table we are giving the probability of this part, no? Right? Probability of this part is given. If the answer is came as 0.3 or something, there are 10,000 total workers, no? That probability want to multiply by this amount, then the number of members will come. Probability to want to take using the Z bar. First convert this into Z. Here 0. Here Z value want to find how using the conversion. Z equal x minus mu over standard deviation. X is what? 7,500 minus mean 6,000 over standard deviation 500. Easy, no? 1,500 divided by 5. It is 5, no? It is 3, no? Then here Z equals 3. Then this probability is equal how? From 0 to fully right side is 0.5. From 0 to full the right side probability is 0.5, no? Because total frequency probability 1 means total probability under the curve 1, no? Then through the 0, this part 0.5, this part 0.5. Then this is equal to 0.5 from here to there, but want to minus this part, how? 0 to 3. Using the table, you can take that. 0.5 minus, using the Z area under the last week we took, no? Tell, what is the value according to the 3? Z equal 3. That means 3.0. 0. Area under the standard normal curve table under Z equal 3.0 what? $0.2019. Sure, no? Go. for 3.0. What value කිවි? මේ value මොකද්ද? ඔව් what බලලා කිව්ව මට? මේ තියෙන බං 3.0 0 0.40 496.867 ද පෙන්නව. minus 0.4 4967 ද? හා 4987 අඩු කරපුවම කිදෙන්නේ 0.5000 ගේ 4983 කියන්නේ 0.003 නේ 13 නේ 0013 නේ බා ඔව් හරිනේ බා මේ නිකන් අඩු කරපුවම මේ 0.5 means keep 4 zeros there 5000 minus 4987 is 13 this is the probability, right? But the number of members to find, we want to multiply that by 10,000, right? Therefore, number of workers equal 0.0013 multiplied by 10,000 because 10,000 total workers are there. It is 13 workers. Understood? That's all, Balawan. How easy the maths paper is. Only 100 marks can obtain. Where's the doubt? Tell. Probability එක ඵලයන්. ඇයි මේක last week කරේ බං? ඒක very easy බං. ගිහලා note එක බලන් ආයේ. last week අපි කරේ බං. done. නෑ ලියපන්. ඊළඟ exam එකේද ඊන එකේ. හරි. 100% complete දැන් decimal point එකක් වගේ තියෙන අර මොනවද? මේ sampling method එකේ theory බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා. theory කියලා තියෙන එක ලකුණ යාව. හරි. that's it. ඕපන් මේ